Want to transfer your WhatsApp chats from an iPhone to an Android device but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without having to reset your devices. Now let's get started. To begin, we'll first back up WhatsApp chats on the iPhone. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone and tap Settings at the bottom. Then select Chats. Tap Chat Backup. Then tap Backup Now. Wait for the backup to complete. Then open WhatsApp on your Android device. Tap Agree and Continue. Then choose your country. And enter the phone number you use for WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap Next. Then tap Yes to confirm. A code will appear on your iPhone screen. Enter the code that appears on the iPhone into the verification text box on your Android screen. Your WhatsApp account will then be logged out of your iPhone and you'll be logged in on your Android device. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts and give permission to restore your backed up chats. Then enter the display name you want to use and tap Next. WhatsApp will then load your saved chats to your Android device. That's all it takes to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. For more helpful WhatsApp tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.